All right, I'll be starting off with the yellow Yorkie. So the first activity you're going to do is cut and glue these boxes down here up in the correct spot. So here we have possessive nouns, which always has an apostrophe, and then here we have plural nouns, which does not require an apostrophe but does need an S. So for example, boys has an apostrophe in it, so that means it's showing possession. So I'm going to put it on the possessive side. I do want you to cut and glue, please. The second thing you're going to do is use this sheet you just did to write down nouns in this spot. So you're going to write the noun here. You're going to write the singular possessive form right here, plural possessive here. Now the difference between singular and plural possessive is sometimes if it's singular, it's going to be an apostrophe S like you're used to. But when it's plural possessive, you add an S and an apostrophe at the end. For example, if we do boys again, I put boy here. And then one boy would be B-O-Y apostrophe S. Multiple boys would be B-O-Y-S apostrophe. So I want you to do all of these nouns right here on this side right here. And there's going to be extra boxes, so you can just put an X in the ones that you don't need. The last thing you're going to do is read this passage 3 times, answer the questions. At the bottom it says to draw a rabbit. My green goats, you're going to be writing the possessive of these statements. So the apple belonging to Amy would be Amy's apple. And they also did an example right here for you. So that one should be pretty simple. Second thing you're going to do is complete the sentences with the correct possessive nouns. So that's my dog, Bone. That would be that's my dog's, with an apostrophe S, Bone. But here with students, that is plural, so you might put an apostrophe after the S. Then you're going to fill in the chart with the correct possessive nouns. So basically what the yellow Yorkies were doing earlier, you're going to do here. Girl, one girl will be girls. Multiple girls would be, girls with an apostrophe at the end instead. Then you're going to read the passage 3 times, answer the questions. And then lastly, my red raccoons, you're going to be, again, putting these in the correct spot. Boys would go here because it has an apostrophe, and that means it's possessive. Hats would go here because it is plural. It is not possessive. It does not need an apostrophe. Possessive nouns, you're going to put cows. That is the cow's flower. The cat's apostrophe S, tail is short. So you're going to use these words to fill in the blank, and then you're going to read this and answer the 3 questions at the bottom.